Hello everybody, so welcome to Moving Vlog 1. This is the first vlog here, and yeah, so this is going to be a video, just kind of packing everything, mainly, because things are in bins here, so that's a little profile, and then the blades are upstairs, same with the bridge tin here, and then I forgot what's under here, hold on. We have, the antique brass Centreville. I'm gonna put that on eBay when I have time. The Design House Manhattan's in there. And then the SQ Zephyr that's converted to 3-speed with the 3-speed board. It's in there, everything's wrapped. Then all my other new box fans and the rest of everything is upstairs. Yep, gotta wrap this. Gotta put this mounting bracket in somewhere. And yeah, so we have just a ton of stuff. I really only have this Zephyr, and then over here we have the what is this thing called again? I think it's like a Sandhurst. I forgot what the name is. I'm pretty sure it's Sandhurst. One of these Platinum Harbor Breezes. Yeah, I just got stuff scattered on the floor everywhere because I was just trying to pack everything up. But yeah, this light, it doesn't work. No idea what's wrong with it. Take a look at it later. But yeah, let's start by disassembling the Zephyr. So turn that off. I just have this plugged into an outlet over here, so unplug that. All right, let's go. The Zephyr's now taken down. I have the extension down rod for it in the garage, and I'll be putting that with it in the bin. But for now, let's take apart the Harbor Sandhurst. Unfortunately, I don't have any camera angles I can really do this with, so I'm going to try to do this with one hand because I usually have my phone laying against globes for when I used to record there. But I don't have my tripod because it's not here, so I'm going to do my best with using one hand. Sandhurst is apart and the Zephyr's apart. I'll be packing those tomorrow, but for now we got everything all apart, which is good. But yeah, so this is vlog 1. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.